So if you are looking for a aesthetically pleasing cleaning video, this is probably not going to be it. This is a real life stay-at-home mom of 2 toddlers cleaning video, and it's about to get real. Hello, welcome or welcome back. In today's video, I am getting my house and my life together for the fall. The house is starting to get away from me again, and I am just feeling so overwhelmed and anxious. And I don't know if you're the same way, but I always feel so much more relaxed and non-anxious when the house is cleaner. Like the two are directly correlated, especially the larger, less frequently done jobs like the cleaning out and sanitizing of the refrigerator, which I will be doing for this video. And then I also want to get some food prepped. For anyone that's new here, I am on a weight loss journey, so if you are interested in that, you can check out my weight loss playlist. And finally, I also ordered a new calendar that will hopefully arrive today, so I want to do some planning and some goal setting for September. All right, let's get started. All right, step 1, refresh the bedroom. I always like to start in the bedroom because it gives me something to look forward to at the end of the day. That was needlessly difficult. Especially on those days that I change the sheets, there is nothing better than getting into a made bed with fresh, clean sheets at the end of a long day. Well, mostly better. And once again, our dining room is pretty trashed. These boxes always stay here because we're building a shed. The kids' art stuff is always trashed, but this, very fixable. So the dining room in my house is a constant battle because it wears so many different hats. It is, of course, the dining room, but it doubles as our library because it's where we store all of our books. It triples as the kids' art room. I have a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. And I also like to build puzzles in here. That's what's on top of the china cabinet. And temporarily, it has been housing those big bins in the corner while my husband builds us a new shed. But it is a battle that I choose to fight because I really try to prioritize family meals. The living room is another challenge because the kids like to play in here a lot. Most of their toys are in their rooms, but they do keep a few toys in here. But fortunately, it's also a really easy room to clean up. It usually only takes about 10 minutes. Yep, pretty much as good as it gets. And the kids' toy corner. Our trash can broke, and so the trash is everywhere. Trash because the trash can broke. Yeah, we didn't clean up from dinner last night, or our pizza box. All of my daughter's art, which needs to be gone through.
Mommy, I want a pretzel.
You want a pretzel?
Pretzel.
Go eat your grapes, buddy. Hey, no, sir. This is why the trash can is broken. Wish me luck. The kitchen is also a constant thing. We love to cook, so the kitchen is always getting messed up. But on the bright side, doing the dishes is actually one of my favorite household chores. It is super, super satisfying to me. I can see the sink again. Does that make me weird? Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite chore.
This is fun.
Oh wow, thank you. Some more art for the refrigerator.
Lunch bread.
We're swimming in produce. I don't know what to do with it all. Anybody want some okra? And this is what happened while I was cleaning the kitchen. It's a never-ending cycle. So I'm just gonna take a quick little break and have some lunch. I didn't film it, but I made a tuna pasta salad, like healthier version. It was kind of an experiment because I've never made it before. It's half Greek yogurt and half mayonnaise, among other things, but that's the main swap, and it's really good. Yeah, but it's got pasta, macaroni pasta, tuna, peas, onions, celery, relish, lime juice, dill, salt, pepper, and then I added sweet and hot pickles to mine separately. I didn't want to put it in the whole batch because the kids would freak out. And then obviously it has the mayonnaise and Greek yogurt. It's really good. Let me know if you're interested. I'll do the recipe and put it and post it. But it's good. I think next time I would up the amount of tuna in it, but I only had 1 can. So it's like 1 can of tuna to like an entire box of pasta. Not quite a good ratio, but the general gist of it is delicious. So I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna get back to work. All right, kitchen round 2. The dishwasher is done. All right, kitchen update. This is where we're at. Yay. And all the produce. Our garden is outrageously wonderful right now. Still got to go through the art. And now for my little office space. Hopefully it's fast. My little office space is super fast to tidy, 10 minutes tops. I try to keep this room pretty minimal with only the stuff I use frequently. This is my mommy needs some peace space. Much better. There's still a lot of stuff on my shelf, but at least it's organized. Yep. I gotta put the kids' trampoline back down. Yay. So here is the rest of that macaroni salad with the tuna that I prepped for lunches. It'll last us a day or two, so it's the next day. I have been procrastinating all morning. It is like 10:30. I've been up since 4. I have not started the fridge. Because I hate it. Oh. I'm gonna bribe myself. So when I'm done with the fridge, I'm gonna paint my nails. That's the deal. So let's get started. Behold the beast. So I am gonna start by taking everything out of the fridge and getting rid of anything that's spoiled or expired. Let's do it. This is actually the main thing that deters me from doing the fridge more frequently. I hate throwing food away, but it's a little bit of a catch-22 because the more I go through it and the more organized it is, the less likely it is that I will lose something or forget about it and then it goes bad and I have to throw it away. But it only takes a little bit of clutter and time for me to start the avoidance behavior again. If you have any advice, let me know in the comments. My phone ran out of storage and stopped filming like halfway through that. So let me show you what I've done. So all the stuff is out. This is all the stuff I'm keeping. Everything that I'm not keeping is in there. And then this is gross but empty. So I have another drawer. This is a clear shelf. There's another drawer down there that I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do the top part first. So we're gonna get this cleaned up and put everything back, and then I'll do the bottom drawer. I'm just gonna take it out. But anyway, I've talked long enough. I'm going to switch over to some music and let you guys enjoy the transformation. Don't forget to stick around for September planning and goal setting, as well as my nail reward. Alright, so I'm just gonna wash these up and get the refrigerator put back together again. All right, everything's washed, So now we're gonna reassemble. So this is depressing. Me and my camera aren't getting along today. It was not recording as I was reassembling. So there we are, nice and reassembled and clean. All right, time for the tour. So we have my coffee creamers. We have jelly and apple butter, that's my husband's. Salad dressing, bird food. Like a million mustards, which is why you have to go through your refrigerator. Pickles, sauces. We have 2 ketchups in here too. Leftovers. Yes, we have a lot. Yogurt, dairy, stuff. Yeast, eggs, drinks. Pork tenderloin. Carrots, which will hopefully fit in that bottom part once we do that. And then my little cheeses. Cream cheese, blue cheese, feta cheese, string cheese, all the cheeses. And hummus. So, there we have it. So I feel like I should put a warning up before I open this drawer. And that is, we never know what we're gonna find. This is our produce drawer. So, you've been warned. Yeah, this thing's really hard to clean because it's so big and my sink is so small. All right, there they are. Nice, clean vegetable drawer. If you made it to this part at the end of the fridge clean out, please give me a like, because that was so hard for me to do. It was so hard, but I did it. Now it's done, and it'll have to be done again in like a couple weeks. So my calendar did end up coming in last night. Here it is. So that is it for the cleaning. Sorry if you can hear my kids in the background. They are playing in the living room. We are going to do some planning / goal setting. And by planning, I pretty much already did that. I figured that would be boring. But goal setting, so goals for September, which sadly September is already a week over. So really these are 3-week goals. So for those of you that don't know, I am doing a 75 soft challenge, which ends September 30th. I really want to take advantage of the last 3 weeks I have on this challenge, and so I want to start incorporating some weight training. So I have decided to do the Glow with Joe 20-10-5 method, I think is what it's called. There's like a playlist on her site, and we're gonna do that. So, Grow with Joe 20-10-5 method, which is 5 days a week, weight training and cardio. It's like a mix. And then on top of that, I want to try to get 10,000 steps per day, 6 out of 7 days, because I always take Sundays off. And then I'm trying to not let the house get like this again instantly. So I want to do 10 minutes times 3 rooms, 3 different rooms, 5 days a week. So 10 minutes in a room for 3 different rooms, 5 days a week. So each room will get hit a couple of times. And 10 minutes really does do a lot. So, and that's only 30 minutes a day. That's not hard, right? So that's the plan. I think those are the goals. Now I'm gonna paint my nails. So I got these on Amazon. They're really, really tiny. But we're doing teal. We'll see how it goes. So if you made it this far, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And here are the nails. I don't usually go for such a loud color, but it's fun every now and then. I'll see you next time. Bye.